This dance is called Full Throttle. It's a 48 count, 4 wall, intermediate level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot, you're going to rock to the side on the right, recover your weight on the left, into a vaudeville step. So you're going to cross that right over left, small step back on that left, touch that right heel forward on the diagonal, 130, bring that right back beside the left. Cross the left over the right, turn a quarter turn left as you step back on that right, shuffle back on the left. That set of steps once more then. Side rock into that vaudeville on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross and heel and cross, turn, back, shuffle. Rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left. Into a full turn over 2 steps, half a turn left, you step back on that right, half a turn left, you step forward on the left. Shuffle forward on the right, then rock forward on the left, recover. That set of steps once more then. Back rock off on the right. 7, 8, back rock, full turn, right shuffle, forward rock. Notice by virtue of its name, a full turn. Should you wish to try and take that out, just replace it with a walk, walk. So rock back on the right, recover your weight on the left, walk forward, right, left, shuffle forward on the right, rock forward on the left and recover. So non-turning steps, should you need to take that full turn out from that section. Now I will demonstrate the full turn whilst we're actually doing the walkthrough of the dance. I'll actually be doing the non-turning walk-walk option when the music is on, but I'll still call out full turn so you know where it is in the dance. Let's add that to the top. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross and heel and cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, right shuffle, forward rock. You're going to add on 2 sailor steps. With these sailor steps you are going to be travelling slightly backwards. So it's the left sailor, behind, side, side, right sailor, behind, side, side. A half toe turn, so you're going to touch your left toe back, turn yourself half a toe to the left as you put your weight down on that left foot. Then step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. That set of steps once more then. Sailor steps off on the left. 7, 8, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot. So again, we have got the equivalent of a full turn in this section. Your toe half turn, your step pivot half, all turning to the left. Should you need to try and take that out, start the same as everybody else, your 2 sailor steps. Then rather than doing your toe half turn, just do a back strut on the left, and then rather than that step pivot half, just rock back on the right and recover. So non-turning steps, should you need to take that equivalent full turn out from that section. Let's add that to the top. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross and heel and cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot. Add on a couple of Dorothy steps now. With these Dorothys you are going to be travelling towards the diagonal, but you're going to carry on facing forward. So your right Dorothy, step, lock, and then the left, go into left diagonal, step, lock, and. You're going to add on a mambo half, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on that left, half a turn right as you step that right forward. Make a further quarter of a turn right as you step the left beside the right. That set of steps once more then. Dorothy's off on the right. 7, 8, step, lock and step, lock and mambo, half turn. So once again, we've now got 3/4 of a turn in this section. Should you need to take that out, start the same as everybody else with your Dorothys. And then instead of doing your mambo half, just rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left, step back on that right, and then make a 1/4 of a turn to the left as you bring your left beside the right. So non-turning steps, should you need to try and take that 3/4 turn out from that section. Let's add that to the top. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross and heel and cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full, turn, right shuffle, forward rock. Sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, half turn. You're now going into a set of toe-heel switches. So you're going to touch your right toe to the side, step the right beside the left. Touch your left heel forward, step the left beside the right. Touch the right heel forward, hold and clap twice. Bring the right back beside the left, and you're going to repeat that with the left foot. Touch your left toe to the side, left beside right, right heel forward, right beside left, left heel forward, hold and clap twice, then bring your left beside the right. Just do that once more for you. Slowly again to start with. Off on that right. So it's a toe and left heel and right heel, clap, clap, feet together. Left toe and right heel and left heel, clap, clap, feet together. Once more, a little bit faster. 7, 8, toe and heel, clap, clap, and toe and heel, clap, clap, and. Let's add that to the top. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross and heel and cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full, turn, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, half turn. Toe and heel, clap, clap, and toe and heel, clap, clap, and. Rock forward on that right, recover your weight on the left, half shuffle turn over your right shoulder, quarter, close, quarter. Make a further 1/4 of a turn to the left, you step the left to the side. It's a large step to the side, drag the right beside the left, and then add on a right-footed kick, ball, cross. That set of steps once more then. Forward rock off on the right. 7, 8, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, drag, kick, ball, cross. So last section of the dance, and we have got another 3/4 of a turn in it. Should you need to try and take this one out, rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left. Instead of that half shuffle, just shuffle back on that right. And then instead of turning to the right, you turn a 1/4 turn left, you step a large step to the side of that left, drag the right towards the left, and then add on your right-footed kick, ball, cross. Non-turning steps, should you need to take that 3/4 of the turn out in that last section. So it is the end of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross and heel and cross, turn, back shuffle, back, rock, full, turn, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, turn, half turn. Toe and heel, clap, clap, and toe and heel, clap, clap, and forward rock, half shuffle, turn, drag, kick, ball, cross. That's your dance. I'll now go through it with the counts. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So hopefully that gives you a little bit of a feel for the timing of the dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross and heel and cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full, turn, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, half turn, toe and heel clap clap, and toe and heel clap clap, and forward rock, half shuffle, turn, drag, kick, ball, cross, side rock, cross and cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full, turn, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, half turn, toe and heel clap clap, and toe and heel clap clap, and forward rock, half shuffle, turn, drag, kick, ball, cross, side rock, cross and cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full, turn, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, half turn, toe and heel clap clap, and toe and heel clap clap, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, drag, kick, ball, cross. So that is your dance. Now you do have 2 little restarts in this dance. Keep you on your toes, they are in different places. So your first one comes on wall 3 after 40 and counts. So you will have just completed your toe heel switch section. And you restart. Straight into wall 4, where you have your next restart after 32 and count. So you basically don't go in to your toe heel switch section. Wall 3 is our 6 o'clock wall. Let's take you through wall 3, 40 and counts, restart into wall 4, 32 and counts, restart. So you can see how it all fits together. Side rock off on the right. 7, 8, side rock, cross and cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, forward turn, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, half turn, toe and heel clap clap, and toe and heel clap, and restart, side rock, cross and cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, half turn, restart, side rock, cross and cross, turn, back shuffle. So hopefully you can see how those 2 restarts fit in. 40 and counts into wall 3, 32 and counts into wall 4. So that is it. That is your dance, your walkthrough, and your restart information. Let's give it a go to bed music. Five, six, seven, eight. Side rock, cross and heel and cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, half turn, toe and heel, and toe and heel, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, drive, kick, ball, cross, side rock, cross and heel, and cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, half turn, toe and heel, and toe and heel, forward rock, half shuffle, turn, drag, kick, ball, cross, side rock, cross and heel, cross, turn, back shuffle, back rock, full turn, should restart ball, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, half turn, toe and heel, and toe and heel, restart, side rock, cross and heel, cross, turn, back shuffle, back up, full turn, your next restart, right shuffle, forward rock, sailor step, toe, turn, step, pivot, step, lock and mambo, half turn, restart, side rock, back rock, sailors, Dorothy, toe and heel, forward rock, side rock, back rock, sailors, Dorothy, toe heel, forward rock, side rock, hope you managed that one.